Welcome to this brief tour of Deep's latest tool to help anglers have more successful fishing trips, our Where to Fish For application. This application was built to help people find lakes, ponds, and Connecticut River locations to fish and to provide information about some of the most popular amenities at these locations. For general river or stream fishing locations, please refer to the companion application, the Connecticut Interactive Trout Stocking Map. The data used to power the app is a combination of both Deep Fisheries Division electrofishing data gathered within the past 10 years, and when that was not possible, information from experienced biologists. Fish data were parsed only for sizes anglers are likely to catch, which in most cases is a fish about 6 inches or more. The terms few, some, many are used to divide the data for any particular species. These qualifiers are provided to inform a prospective angler of the abundance of a particular species. It is important to note that this does not mean to infer the quality of fish caught or that any particular water body is better than another. It is simply to show which may have more of a particular species than another. Water bodies stocked with trout or channeled catfish have been given a default value of some. The number of stocked fish in any water ultimately varies with time, from many at the time of stocking to few several weeks to months since the last stocking. Now let's take a quick walk through the application. The tool opens with a map of Connecticut. The yellow dots are bodies of waters that have fish and amenity information. Simply click on a dot to identify the water body and view the pertinent information. Close the window by clicking the X in the upper right corner. In the upper left corner, there are tools to navigate around the map, including zoom and search. You can also move about the map by holding down the left mouse button and moving the cursor. In the upper right corner of the application, there are a series of blue icons. These buttons give you options to filter the map by species as well as customize your experience. Let's take a look at how to use each button. The Filter Species button is the button you will probably use the most. This button lets you select a specific fish species, and then choose a quantity or density for that species, such as few, some, or many. Simply scroll through the list until you find the species of fish you are interested in catching, and then click on the black triangle to choose a quantity from the drop-down menu. Then press the Apply button. Notice how the map is refreshed. The yellow dots that are displayed are water bodies with that species of fish with the quantity you selected. Click on any yellow dot to identify the lake and get information about amenities such as shore fishing opportunities, boat launches, picnic areas, ADA compliance, and more. You can only apply one filter at a time. You need to either cancel or reset the filter to view information for another fish species. Cancel the current filter by pressing the Cancel button for the species to which you applied the filter, or you can press the Reset button at the bottom of the filter menu. Choose another fish species or quantity to filter the map again. Press the Filter button to close the filter menu. The Ponds and Lakes Near Me button helps you estimate how far a particular body of water is from a specified location. Click the Add Point button to choose a reference location, and then enter a distance in miles to create a circle around the lakes within that distance. The Maps Layer button lets you show or hide data layers. The options are species density, deep property, car top and carry and boat launches, accessible trailered boat launches, Connecticut town boundaries, and Connecticut state boundary. Toggle the visibility by adding or removing the checkbox. The map is immediately updated. The Base Map Gallery button lets you choose from either a topographic map or a satellite imagery map. Click the option you prefer. The Legend button displays the symbol used for species density. The About This App button explains the purpose of the application and how the data was collected, and how it is intended to be used by anglers. The last button is the Welcome button, and this displays a list of helpful resources, as well as contact information if you would like to send feedback on the usefulness of this application or suggestions for improvement. Email us at deep.learntofish@ct.gov or call 860-663-1656. The Fisheries Division hopes you find this application helpful and that you get a chance to take advantage of the abundant fishing opportunities throughout the state.